Hello everyone. During this video I want to make a few points about the MBFX system, which I have been trading now consistently for the past 30 weeks. I don't think I have lost any trade so far, and I know quite a few guys in our chat group are also smashing this thing very well. Okay, just a couple of things I wanted to make you guys to understand about how I've been doing this. This is the Euro Aussie. That's the Euro Aussie pair right now that I'm trading. Been trading this now for since yesterday. I wrote this up and I wrote it down. So as you know, this is your sell zone in the red area, and then this is your buy zone in the green area. Now this is one of the best systems I have seen to trade forex in a very long time. If you pick the right time frame and do your right analysis, you are always going to get direction correct, and you can avoid stop losses. You can avoid losses as much as possible. Okay, like I said, I have been trading this. The only thing I noticed about the system is that the timer tends to lag. I mean, when you look at it from the past, it looks really beautiful and perfect, but in the spot of the moment, it's always the timer tends to lag a bit. So I would say you focus on price action and see what your candlestick patterns are doing. Look at your levels of support and resistance and think, okay, is this likely to reverse? And also wait for your patterns. If you're trading M and Ws, then you should wait for those to form as well to correspond with what the MBFX is telling you. Because sometimes on the 4 hour, if you think it's already changing to yellow on the 4 hour to go long or go short, you'll find that you'll be in a drawdown, because on the lower time frame it's actually retracing. Okay, because the timer really lags and tends to report the move much later. Okay, I'm talking a couple of hours behind depending on time frame. Okay, so again, the rules are very simple. You have your MBFS system on your chart. You wait for the price to approach this area based on your time frame. For example, you wait for price to come into this zone, or let's use that one as the perfect example. You wait for price to come to this zone. Sometimes they push it down a bit. They can always do what they want. I mean, this structure is not a static structure. It's actually, it tends to move. But if you have an idea of what the price is likely to reverse, or if you buy in this zone and the color has changed from red to yellow, it means there's an impending move up. Okay, as you can see, there was a nice move up here. I think I got about 30 pips yesterday riding this all the way up. I think I jumped out around here, and then I placed another trade latest the evening when I saw that it was actually going down. If you see here, there's a bit of a divergence here. That's something that you should also look for as well. You can see here the price is going up. Let's see here, price is going up, right? That's a bit of divergence. But if you see here, the MBFS timer is coming down. Okay, so that is your divergence right there. Let's see. Oh, sorry, I'll do that again. That's the trend tool. So you can see the MBFS is actually slowing down on its going down. Okay, that's another way you can know that this market is going to come down. This really tanked. I closed out this trade early this morning for about 70 pips, and that's what I mean by you also need to have other converging factors to help you give an idea of where the market is going. All right, so that is how I managed to solve the problem of a lagging indicator. I know for a fact that this is also going to go up. If I come back here to this chart, I have another chart here where I monitor support and resistance, and you can see that I've got support and resistance zones here. I mean, these are drawn by an indicator. If you draw it by hand, it's a bit subjective. You can get different levels, but as you can see, these levels are being respected. So that's what we can trade. We can trade this range, and can trade this range and see what's happening. But I think the overall trend is down. As you can see on the 4 hourly chart, the overall trend is all the way down. And if you wanted, even on the daily chart as well, the overall trend too is down. Okay, but with the MBFX, you can afford, I mean, for intraday trading, you can afford to trade within these zones. Okay, because the MBFX is also a channel. Okay, it gives you a trading channel, right? So that's what I wanted to let you guys know about the MBFX for today. If you have any questions, I have 4 rules, I think. One is that the price should have actually kissed any of these zones: the red for a sell, the green for a buy. Your timer should be green. Okay, there should be sufficient distance between your green zone and the blue zone where you take profit. Okay, and I don't even know what the fourth rule is, and I think I've forgotten about. I think I have it in the group somewhere. But these are the things I actually check before I make a buying decision. Even though this has actually formed a pin here previously, they are coming back down to do a stop hunt. This is why you must wait for the timer to turn yellow and then begin to go. Now, these guys might mess around here for a while, accumulating contracts. By these guys, I mean the bankers. They are the ones who actually control Forex. They determine where price go, and their only job is to actually take your money, you and my money. Okay, so you should understand how the market moves. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, please let me know. This is one of the most this is one of the best systems I know to trade Forex. As long as the pair is respecting MBFX by touching the green and red zones, you should have a good chance of succeeding. This has well over 80% success rate. I have had 100% success rate for the past 3 weeks. I still test things on demo, don't get me wrong, but yeah, I prefer to use the system to trade Forex. Okay, so I will end this video now. If you have any questions, if you're watching it on YouTube, you can leave it in the description below, or if you have if we're in the Telegram chat, you can always leave me a message as well. Okay, so once again, this is Alice saying thank you for watching, and I wish you happy trading.